What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and we're going to be working in Adobe Photoshop. This is going to be for, we're going to be using my video editing thumbnail template, and basically that just means it's a template for all my video editing videos and the thumbnail template. And so what we're going to do is let's just jump into this, make sure we're selected here. We're going to be on the text tool. Your hotkey is T if you're not on it. We're going to select them all. We're going to call this content, I like it all capital, content confusion thumbnail. Actually, you know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to hit backspace on that. We're going to do that thumbnail creation. No. Let's go ahead and stretch it out again. It's not because I think it's... Is this one? This one is not. No, this is. Okay. Content confusion thumbnail. We're just going to call it content confusion. Content confusion. And the reason I'm doing that... Sorry about that. Go ahead and reset this bounding box to here. We're going to select this. We're going to hit the V tool. And this is going to allow us to recenter. Which I didn't change the outside ones, but if you did, it would recenter it. Do this, V, recentered. And then I hold shift and I drag it down, and that's because you want to recenter it. See, it shows it's between 50 pixels. 50 pixels from these, 50 pixels from the purple bar. And let's just double check because I think I moved it a little bit. Nope. Go ahead and hit T. We're going to come up to this one. We're going to extend it a little bit. We're going to put a 2 in there. We're going to select that 2, and we're going to superscript it. Put it up here to make it a little squared, video editing squared symbol. And basically this just means that it just means I'm video editing a video about video editing something else. So there's like video editing. I'm actually video editing a video about video editing. So there's multiple layers of video editing going on. And this is just basically the second layer of that. You're going to want to hit V again, and you're going to want to center that again. And then we're going to want to make sure that we save it as. Not to save over the template. Make a new folder. Video editing squared content confusion. Content confusion. Select it. Control C. Go into it. Control V. Save. Up here. Export. Click export. Control V again. You just select it as well. We're going to put a dash here. Space. Dash version 1. Click save. Alright, so I have the video basically up on YouTube already. Not for viewing, but it's been uploaded already. I just have to schedule its release, and I needed to put a thumbnail up for it. So while I go and do that, hopefully you'll go and check out one of my other videos, and I will talk to everybody later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.